Hello guys, today I have a 2012 or 13 BMW 535 i X Drive. It's a F10 chassis. I just did an EGS reset because they have swapped the full transmission on this vehicle. I didn't record that portion. The reason for that is that I have another video that does that. I will leave a link down on the bottom. If you guys want to see how the EGS reset is done, you can see that. But I am not using. You can't do an EGS reset using the Ultra series. You must use an IM608 or IM508 to be able to do that such job, because that is totally immobilizer related. But unfortunately it did the same problem like what happened last time on the video. If you guys watch my video, it said failed to obtain coding data, so, and it was not able to also write it back into the new module. Since I didn't even check for the codes, anything like that, and then so I'm gonna go directly into the programming and I'm gonna go ahead and code the EGS to the car. It's very simple procedure. I'm doing this only for one reason, that I have a few of my followers, they were really asking for that portion. I can do that EGS coding with using the IM608 as well, no problem. Not 508, only 608. But I do need another cable, Ethernet cable, and also BMW special OBD plug, which I don't have with me right now. So I'm just gonna do it with the Ultra. It's the same exact menu, same exact functions, nothing literally different. And only difference is the connection through the OBD. That's all we do is put an Ethernet cable between the VCI and the OBD2 connector. That will be it, okay? So I'm just gonna go to programming, press OK. I'm gonna press OK for review 2. It will take at least like a minute in here. It's gonna try to identify the vehicle, see what kind of protocols it's talking on and what's the interrogation level on the vehicle. According to that, it will upload a new page for me to do coding and programming all these different types of functions. Alright, so press OK. It's going to try to communicate with every single vehicle, every single module on the vehicle, and we'll go from there. If you guys get bored, you guys just skip forward. I'm just trying at this time not to skip any sections of it, so I'm gonna do it on exact timing without speeding up anything. Also, I want to give you guys an information about BMW coding. If you're replacing parts and you have encoding trouble codes, the control unit not encoded, it is very simple. Any module that you're dealing with on a BMW, it's very simple. This is what you have to do for almost any module in the car, and the EGS or any other module, they are so simple to code actually, and you guys will see that right now. It is just communicating with all the modules right now to see the status of programming status of each of the unit. So I'm gonna back out from here right now because I don't know why my device is not directly connected to the internet automatically. I have to look at that. Now it's connected back. It's now it is trying to start the network. Okay, yes, that was a control unit that was replaced, which is my EGS, or the transmission control unit, TCU. We're going to find this from here. I don't know if I missed it already. Gear selector switch, nope. TCU controller, no. I do not. Oops. I'm gonna start from the beginning again. Here we go, EGS. All right, so I'm gonna select EGS only. And from this menu, guys, like I said, very simple. All I have to do is go to coding. Go to selective coding, and from here I am going to deselect everything else in here. These probably have a coding updates, and I don't want to deal with any of this stuff right now. what we're trying to do is get this transmission going. All right, so we're gonna do execute the measure plan. Trying to start the network again, so I don't know why I had to do this every time. Hotel should do something about this, and I see that there is no automatic option, like directly connecting automatic option. Alright, it will download some files. It'll be very quick. Trying to keep this video under 7 minutes. I'm gonna put this aside. I wanna also see. I wanna also show you guys what's going on on the dashboard as well. Okay, it says turn the ignition switch on and engine off. That's it, guys. So it's gonna try to code the module. During the coding procedure, usually you don't see any weird happening on the dashboard, because coding is something very simple actually. When you're comparing with programming, it's totally different scenario. All right, EGS is coded. Not able do a rundown command on the EGS. Basically, it will reset the module or reboot the module. And all right, it's just running. Once it said run the power down command, everything went off. The ignition just turned back on by itself. You got to make sure the key is inside the vehicle, or you will have issues. Actually, if you do it with different devices, it's much faster, but the Autel does it exact how the ISTA Plus would have done it actually. It's going through every single process as the ISTA actually, which is the OEM software of this vehicle, or any BMW Mini or Rolls-Royce computers. So it's doing the same exact procedure. It's not skipping anything. At least it's trying to emulate it in the best way it can. Alright, it's gonna delete the fault memory. Now we're just gonna go through all the modules and try to communicate with them, see what's going on. And it will probably update the vehicle order. Press OK. This might take about a minute. I'm gonna stop the video from right here, guys. I believe that's good enough. I'm not even gonna go check the codes because I know everything is good on this. My whole purpose was how to do a coding on a BMW if you're replacing modules, not if you're doing retrofits or a special type of coding that is different. This is only when we're replacing modules on the car. Thank you guys for watching. The job is done. Enjoy the rest of your day.